So this is XYFlyer. It has two main parts. The first part is a series of puzzle-like challenges that you see here. They can help students gain a basic familiarity with equations and graphing, even if they have no previous experience with either one. The second part, which I'll demo in just a bit, is the level editor, which can be used by teachers to create custom levels or by students to create levels to challenge each other. With the puzzles you see here, the goal is to allow students to explore equations and graphing by having them solve numerous puzzle-like challenges. We try to ensure that anyone, regardless of previous learning, can dive into XYFlyer and have success. In order to do so, we use a limited option set, tight feedback loops, and hints to help ensure that anyone can engage with the material right off the bat. With these tools, students can become more comfortable working with equations and graphing before moving on to more abstract problems. XYFlyer is not meant to provide a complete curriculum around equations and graphing, but it does provide an engaging way for students to explore how equations interact with graphs and develop a better visual intuition about what an equation would look like if graphed out. We've also created a number of levels that expose students specifically to linear equations, aligning XYFlyer with the Common Core standards in 7th and 8th grade. XYFlyer isn't limited to just linear equations though. You can use it to explore parabolas, sine waves, logarithmic curves, etc. Really, any type of equation that a teacher would want to explore can be modeled in XYFlyer. As far as class time is concerned though, the level editor may be a more valuable tool than the puzzles themselves. The level editor allows teachers to create any custom level they want, but it also allows students to create their own levels. They can create their own equations and equation fragments, giving them more creative control over the process as they try to create a challenging level. They also have the ability to modify the world and characters, giving them even more creative control over the final product. They can change the background, the character, the plane, and more as they customize the world. As they try to create challenging levels, they'll need to validate their own levels by placing rings along the lines they've graphed. So as they create more challenging levels, they will be challenging themselves to solve their own equations for various values of x. And when a student completes her custom level, all she needs to do is copy the URL provided, and she can send it to someone, and they can immediately try to solve the level. The process of creating the level is actually a fantastic way of challenging the students in a manner appropriate to their skill level, as they attempt to explore and learn the content. XYFlyer is currently available only through a web browser, but it was designed to work great on a touchscreen as well. We'll be releasing it on the iPhone, iPad, and Android in the near future. Thank you for watching this quick demo. We hope you enjoyed it.